Eto, mapapraning ka talaga sa laban na to. Umabot ng 8 minutes mark bago nakapuntos ang alinman sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Parehong nasa mababang standings ang dalawang team, pero nanaig sa uli ang Bulacan sa North Division kontra Bacolod. Huwag na nating patagalin pa, panoorin na natin ang highlights ng dikit na laban ng mga struggling teams ngayong season sa MPBL, mga idol.
Daniel with the offensive rebound, nag-cut si Pascas, and the layup goes down para kay Jajan Pascas. 0 for 4 at the line to start the game, including an air ball. And the pass pa si PJ India on the next dead ball. And look at Adjay hanging there. This is Bulawan, fast break. Yes.
This first quarter.
Sarap, i-cover. Celso for 3. It's good.
Ba't nahiya sila dun sa pinakita nila?
Celso another 3. Oh, back to back. Steal by Saldua. Saldua will finish. Out to Duboze. Movida from the corner. That's a 3. So Mido goes to Celso now. The extra pass. Marquez, corner 3.
They love those corners kasi Balong Marquez.
Back the other way. Oh,
Kasi alam ko semis na yata. Ibig sa liga ko eh.
kaya seryoso. Yes, drive. Saldua. Layup, yes.
Sad bit better.
So Mido fires and scores.
17 points per game. He's averaging close to 12 points per game so far right now as we see.
Bulacan able to get an attempt. Celso gets the offensive rebound.
In this game, it's 4 rebounds in the game para kay Joseph Sol. It's been getting better at least than what we've seen in that first quarter.
Mido gets stripped. Juan Marquez. Balong knocks down.
They do. We've seen them have a hard time really get back from deficits in this season.
And yes. Celso able to grab that one and he puts it in for 2.
Definitely.
8 to 6. Celso fires a 3. Whoa, took an extra step there pero walang tawag. Celso diving in.
19 points, 9 rebounds para kay Joseph Celso.
Spirito. There's a double. So Mido, yeah.